Did you know castor oil could be the secret weapon for pain relief? Most people associate it with hair or skincare, but castor oil's pain-relieving benefits are still under the radar. From sore muscles to joint pain and even menstrual cramps, this natural remedy can offer relief where other treatments fall short. But how does it work? And what are the hidden benefits that make it so effective? Let's find out. 1. Why castor oil is an ancient secret for pain relief. Castor oil has been used for its medicinal properties since ancient times, with records showing its use by Egyptians for healing wounds and reducing inflammation. But what exactly makes castor oil so effective for pain relief? The key lies in its primary component, ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid makes up about 90% of castor oil's composition and is responsible for its powerful anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antibacterial properties. When applied to the skin, it helps reduce swelling, soothe sore muscles, and ease joint pain. One of the most fascinating aspects of castor oil is its ability to penetrate deep into the tissues. Unlike many topical treatments that sit on the surface of the skin, castor oil is absorbed quickly, allowing it to work its magic from the inside out. This deep penetration makes it particularly useful for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation occurs deep in the joints. In addition to reducing inflammation, castor oil also promotes blood circulation, which helps to speed up the healing process. Improved circulation means that more oxygen and nutrients can reach the affected area, aiding in recovery and reducing pain more effectively. Another often overlooked benefit of castor oil is its ability to stimulate the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is crucial for removing toxins from the body, and when it's functioning well, it can significantly reduce swelling and discomfort. By supporting lymphatic function, castor oil not only provides pain relief, but also helps the body heal faster. Given its versatility and effectiveness, it's no surprise that castor oil has been a trusted remedy for centuries. Whether you're dealing with everyday aches or chronic pain, this natural oil can offer a safe, non-toxic solution for managing discomfort. 2. The magic of castor oil for muscle pain relief. Muscle pain is something we all experience at some point, whether from an intense workout, a long day of physical activity, or even stress. While many turn to painkillers or topical creams for relief, castor oil offers a natural alternative that can be just as effective without the chemicals or side effects. Castor oil works by reducing inflammation in the muscles, which is often the primary cause of soreness and stiffness. To get the best results, you'll want to warm the oil slightly before applying it to the affected area. Simply heat it gently, making sure it's not too hot, and then massage it into your muscles. The warmth of the oil helps it penetrate deeper into the tissue, providing faster and more effective relief. For those experiencing severe muscle pain or tension, you can enhance the benefits by using a warm compress. After massaging the oil into the skin, place a warm towel or heating pad over the area. The combination of castor oil and heat helps increase blood flow to the muscles, which not only reduces pain, but also speeds up recovery. What makes castor oil particularly effective for muscle pain is that it works on a deeper level than many over-the-counter products. While creams and gels may provide temporary relief, castor oil helps to reduce inflammation at its source. This makes it ideal for people suffering from chronic muscle pain, or for athletes looking for a natural way to recover after intense exercise. By incorporating castor oil into your post-workout routine or using it as needed for sore muscles, you'll find that your recovery time improves and the overall discomfort is reduced. Plus, unlike many commercial products, castor oil is all natural and free of synthetic ingredients, making it a safer option for long-term use. 3. Joint pain. Castor oil has you covered. Joint pain can be incredibly debilitating, especially for those who suffer from conditions like arthritis. The stiffness, swelling, and discomfort can make even the simplest tasks challenging. Fortunately, castor oil provides a natural remedy that can offer much-needed relief for joint pain. One of the reasons castor oil is so effective for joint pain is its anti-inflammatory properties. When applied to the joints, the oil helps to reduce swelling and alleviate the pressure that causes pain. This makes it particularly useful for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, where inflammation plays a major role in the discomfort experienced by sufferers. To use castor oil for joint pain, begin by warming a small amount of oil. Apply it generously to the affected joint and massage it in using circular motions. The massage itself can help increase circulation, which further aids in reducing stiffness and pain. For added effectiveness, you can wrap the joint with a warm cloth or heating pad after applying the oil. The heat helps to enhance the oil's penetration into the tissues, providing deeper relief. One traditional method that has been used for centuries is the castor oil pack. This involves soaking a cloth in warm castor oil, placing it over the affected joint, and then covering it with plastic wrap and a heating pad. Leave the pack on for about an hour, allowing the oil to deeply penetrate the skin and joints. This method not only helps reduce inflammation, but also improves joint mobility over time. With regular use, castor oil can help to maintain joint health, making it a great long-term solution for managing chronic joint pain. Whether you suffer from arthritis or simply experience occasional stiffness, castor oil is a natural and effective remedy that can provide significant relief. 4. Menstrual pain and castor oil, a natural solution. Menstrual cramps can be incredibly painful and often interfere with daily activities. While many women rely on over-the-counter medications to manage the discomfort, castor oil offers a natural and effective alternative that can provide relief without the need for painkillers. Castor oil is known for its ability to reduce inflammation and relax muscles, which makes it particularly effective for relieving menstrual cramps. To use it for this purpose, you can create a castor oil pack. Start by warming some castor oil and soaking a soft cloth in it. Place the cloth over your lower abdomen, where the cramps are most intense, and cover it with a towel. Apply a heating pad or hot water bottle on top, and leave the pack on for about 30 to 45 minutes. The warmth from the castor oil pack helps to relax the uterine muscles, which reduces the severity of cramps. At the same time, the oil works to reduce inflammation, making the pain more manageable. Many women report significant relief from their cramps after just one session, making castor oil a great natural option for menstrual pain. Another benefit of using castor oil for menstrual pain is that it promotes circulation in the abdomen. Improved blood flow can help reduce the intensity of cramps and support overall reproductive health. Plus, because castor oil is all natural, it can be used as often as needed without worrying about side effects. If you're looking for a natural, effective way to manage menstrual cramps, castor oil is a fantastic option to try. Not only does it provide relief from pain, but it also supports the body's natural healing processes, making it a great addition to any self-care routine during menstruation. 5. Hidden benefits of castor oil for pain relief. While castor oil is widely recognized for its ability to relieve muscle and joint pain, its benefits don't stop there. This versatile oil has a number of hidden benefits that make it a valuable tool for managing a variety of other types of pain and discomfort. For example, castor oil can be used to relieve headaches, particularly tension headaches. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil help reduce the tension in the muscles around the head and neck, which are often the root cause of headaches. To use castor oil for headaches, simply massage a small amount of the oil into your temples and the base of your neck. The soothing effect of the oil will help ease the tension and reduce the intensity of the headache. Castor oil can also be used to treat back pain, especially lower back pain. Like with muscle pain, castor oil can be applied to the affected area and massaged in to provide relief. For more severe back pain, a castor oil pack can be used to provide deeper penetration and longer-lasting relief. Even for minor injuries like bruises and sprains, castor oil can help. Its ability to reduce swelling and promote healing makes it an excellent choice for treating soft tissue injuries. Simply apply the oil to the affected area, and you'll notice a reduction in swelling and faster healing. In addition to these benefits, castor oil can also improve lymphatic function, which helps the body eliminate toxins more efficiently. This not only reduces pain and swelling, but also supports overall health and wellness. By incorporating castor oil into your pain management routine, You'll be supporting your body's natural healing processes and reducing your reliance on synthetic medications. Who knew that castor oil could offer so many benefits for pain relief? Whether you're dealing with muscle soreness, joint pain, or menstrual cramps, this natural remedy has a lot to offer. If you're tired of relying on over-the-counter painkillers and looking for a more natural approach, give castor oil a try. You might be surprised at how effective it can be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and health remedies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.